elevator, we come to the elevator at the Round 1 arcade, MillCreek Mall. This was formerly Burlington Coat Factory. Before that, I forget what it was called.
This is the elevator.
Oh, it was Boston Store or Horns or something.
This is the elevator.
Alright, here we go.
This is the elevator. Round 1 in Erie, Pennsylvania.
Alright, so these have been replaced. See the motor? I haven't filmed this since 2009. It's gonna do the classic leveling. Oh, cool.
Nice sound.
Wait! Alright. Let's go to 1. Alright, this. The last time I filmed it was the Burlington Coat Factory. Glad they kept the elevator original.
This is an Otis Lexan. Wow. Love this elevator.
The upgrade of Epco, and it sounds like Macy's at Monroeville Mall there.
There's a receipt box.
Watch this. Classic leveling. Lexan button. There's elevator 1 and 2. And that's it. Got the advertisements.